After 10 years, as in after a decade, Jammu and Kashmir is all set to cast their votes. The people of Jammu and Kashmir are getting out of their houses to, use their right to vote. And these elections are very interesting also because these are happening after 10 years. And right now, we are at the hot seat of Srinagar, that is the area of Lal Chowk. This has been considered at the hot seat. And Srinagar as a city is also considered to be very important in terms of Jammu and Kashmir, as it's the capital also. And if we talk about the second phase elections that will be commencing tomorrow, as in on 25th, then, several political parties are contesting against each other. And if we talk about the main competition, then, the former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, is fighting the elections. And tomorrow, his, fortune will also be decided, that how will he do in these elections. And his elections this time is not very easy because against him, different parties are fighting, whether it's a PDP, whether it's Awami Ittehad Party, and whether it's the independent candidate. So yes, Jammu and Kashmir is all set for the second phases of elections. And right now, you can also see the security here at the Lal Chowk. Police have been deployed here, and for the election purposes, all the security has been heightened in the Srinagar area. And right now, these are the cars and the CRPF vans that are deployed right now at the Lal Chowk to check all the security measures so that the elections can be held very easily and very properly also. So yes, Jammu and Kashmir is very much ready. And if we talk about different parties again, then PDP is contesting for the second phase for all the 26 seats. And for the second phase, Srinagar is contesting for the maximum of the seats, that is the 8 seats. And apart from that, Budgam and also Gandarbal will also be contesting, from where viewers, it is very important to note that the former Chief Minister Omar Abdullah is fighting these elections from 2 seats, that is Gandarbal and also the Budgam. So these are the two hot shots and the hot spots of Srinagar right now, and all the eyes are on it. So tomorrow is very near, and it is being said that the fate of Omar Abdullah, the Abdullah family's the fortune will also be decided, fate will also be decided after these elections. With camera person Avinash, I'm Hendigar for NewsX Srinagar.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.